how to see who viewed your video on TikTok mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to see who viewed your video on TikTok mobile. First, then open TikTok and now click profile, and here you will find the storylines in the top corner. Click on it and click settings and privacy, and then click privacy and scroll down. Here you will find the post views. Click on it, and now all you need to do here, just turn this one on, and now you can see which followers viewed your video, and that's it. It's easy. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.